Meet the star of your Thanksgiving appetizer table. This adorable roast turkey cheese ball looks like a perfectly roasted turkey, but it's actually a super delicious cream cheese, smoked Gouda, bacon, and toasted pecan cheese ball that everyone will gobble right up. You start with softened cream cheese and then you add your spices and seasonings. I used a hand mixer to make quick work of the mixing. Now it's time to add some toasted chopped pecans, bacon bits, and that shredded smoked Gouda cheese. Give it all a good mix. And now it's time for the fun part. Let's play with our food. Breadsticks stand in for the drumstick bones, and oil your hands to keep the cream cheese from sticking to your hands too much. Working on a sheet of parchment paper, form the turkey breast first, and then before you get too far, add the chopped pecans and bacon bits around the bottom of your turkey, just so the legs don't get in the way. Now form your drumsticks around those breadsticks and gently press one leg on each side of the turkey. Fashion the wings next with cream cheese and do the same, pressing them gently onto the turkey, and then cover the entire cheese bird with the browned toasted nuts and bacon bits. Take your time so you can get the best coverage possible. When you're all finished, you can use that parchment paper to lift the bird onto your serving vessel. I used a small baking dish because I thought that would be really cute. I trimmed away the parchment paper and garnished the bird with fresh rosemary, but you can garnish however you like. It's time to eat. Happy Thanksgiving. See you next time.